Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send XDC from Uphold to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens for trading, staking, or just better management, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Kucoin. If you don't, head over to their websites and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged into your Uphold account, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Assets or Wallets section and find your XDC balance. This is where all your crypto holdings are listed. Now, switch over to Kucoin. Log in and go to the Assets page. Select XDC from your list of cryptocurrencies. You'll need to generate a deposit address. Click on Deposit next to XDC. Kucoin will provide you with a unique wallet address and might specify the network, like the XDC network. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Back on Uphold, select your XDC asset and choose the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the Kucoin deposit address into the recipient field. Don't forget to select the correct network. Always match it to XDC to avoid any errors or lost funds. Enter the amount you want to send, and keep an eye on the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to confirm via email or two-factor authentication for security. Now, sit back and wait. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it's done, hop back to Kucoin and check your XDC balance. If all went well, your tokens should be there. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details. That's it for this guide. You've just mastered sending XDC from Uphold to Kucoin. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video.